In this question, a trapezium ABCD is given. AC and BD are its diagonals and their lengths are small a and small b respectively. For the trapezium, internal angle B is 90 degree and angle C is also 90 degree, while angle A is given as 45 degrees. Now we are asked to find the area of this trapezium in terms of small a and small b. So we know that area of any trapezium is equal to half times the sum of parallel sides. So the parallel sides are AB and CD. So let us name this AB as length as x and CD as y. So half times sum of parallel sides, that means x plus y, times the perpendicular distance between them. So in our case, BC will be the perpendicular distance and let this be h. So we will multiply here with h. Now since it is asked that we have to express area in terms of small a and small b, so we have to express x, y and h in terms of small a and small b. For that, first of all, let us focus on this triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, it is a right angle triangle, and remember that this angle is not 45 degree. In fact, 45 degree is this complete angle. So here by Pythagorean theorem, we can write small a square, that means the square of hypotenuse, is equal to x square plus h square, and from here we can write h square is equal to a square minus x square. Likewise, let us focus on triangle BCD. So in triangle BCD, it is also a right angle triangle. So using Pythagorean theorem, we will get b square, that means square of hypotenuse, is equal to h square plus y square. So from here we will get h square is equal to b square minus y square. Let us name this as equation number 2. Now we can equate equation 1 and 2. So from here we will get a square minus x square is equal to b square minus y square. So from here we can write x square minus y square is equal to a square minus b square, or we can express this as x plus y times x minus y is equal to a square minus b square. Let this be equation number 3. Now we will do one construction here. From point D, we will draw a line segment which is perpendicular to AB. So this is 90 degree. Let us name this as point E. Now the length of DE will be equal to that of BC, that is H. We can write like that. So now let's focus on triangle ADE. This triangle. Here angle A is 45 degree. This angle is 90 degree. So the third angle, this will be also 45 degree. So triangle ADE will be an isosceles triangle. So this length AE will be equal to DE. So this distance AE will also be H. Also, if we see BE will be equal to CD. So this distance will be Y. So we can write H plus Y equals X, because X was the entire length AB. So from here we can write H is equal to X minus Y. So we can substitute X minus Y as H here. So this equation will become X plus Y times, in place of x minus y we can write h equals a square minus b square. Now let us see the formula for area of trapezium that we already wrote. So here it was x plus y times h. and we have found the value of x plus y times h as small a square minus b square. So this can be written as half times a square minus b square. So the area of this trapezium will be half multiplied with a square minus b square square units. If you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.